number 556666304 on mulle saatnud sellise sõnumi. Ahv transa loh, sa näed väga pede välja. What tak? Number 55666, oota, mis see on 55?
This is one of them songs you can kick back and smoke a joint to and get real fucked up. I'd like to dedicate this one to all the lovely young ladies out there. Oh me, I'm Eazy-E, alias a whole taming motherfucker. And I want all you ladies to know something. I'd rather fuck with you all goddamn night, cause your pussy's good. Now I'm fucking all your friends, cause you ran your mouth like I knew you would. You were bragging to your friends, saying Eazy knows how to fuck. So bring your ass in here and give me some so I could bust a nut. Go on and sing this shit.
I'd rather fuck you, yeah, yeah.
I'd rather fuck with you, cause I like the way you scream my name. I know you like this dick, cause you enjoy the pleasure and pain. Now I'm riding on this pussy here, and I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop, bitch. We can do it doggy style, or you can get on top. Sing this motherfucker.
I'd rather fuck you, yeah, yeah.
Claim you used to do